a great choice today with the 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, fog lights, security system, power windows, compass, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, heated front seats, trip computer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, brake assist. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.